In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your bank details in Zoho Invoice, specifically using the invoice footer or notes section. Now, it's important to note that while Zoho Invoice might not support direct bank account settings or offline payment options in your particular interface, there's a solid workaround we can utilize. This involves embedding your bank details directly into the customizable text areas that are universally present on your invoices, such as the Notes, Terms and Conditions, or Footer section. Let's dive right in. We'll start with what is most likely to be your best solution, which is adding your bank details directly to your invoice template. This method modifies the default text that appears at the bottom of all your invoices, ensuring that your bank information is consistently displayed on each one. First, you'll want to log into your Zoho Invoice account. Once you're logged in, head on over to the settings. This can be accessed by clicking on the gear icon, which is conveniently located in the top right corner of your screen. Once you're in settings, you'll notice a left sidebar. Here, you're going to look under Customization and then click on Templates. This is where we'll find everything we need to customize your invoices to better suit your needs. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Invoice Templates by clicking on the Invoices tab. Now we're ready to edit your preferred template. Simply hover over the template you're currently using, perhaps it's labeled something like Standard, and click Edit. This will bring you into the template editor where we can make the magic happen. In this template editor, your mission is to locate a text area that controls the bottom portion of your invoice. You're likely to find this labeled as Notes, Terms and Conditions, or Footer. Occasionally, you might spot something like Custom Fields, although that's not as frequently used for this particular purpose. Essentially, you're on the lookout for any large editable text box that isn't directly tied to specific line items or customer details. If you're having trouble finding these fields, try clicking around the left-hand customization options within the template editor. There's often a footer or other information tab or section that can lead you to what you're looking for. Once you've found the appropriate area, it's time to enter your bank details. In the relevant text box, such as Notes or Terms and Conditions, type out all your bank information clearly and completely. Be sure to include your account name, account number, bank name, SWIFT or BIC code, and if applicable, your IBAN, routing number, or sort code. Finally, let's not forget to save your changes. Click on the Save or Save and Close button in the template editor to make sure everything is preserved as you've set it up. And there you have it. Your bank details are now seamlessly integrated into your invoices, making payments easier and more transparent for your customers.